धर्मेंद्र प्रधानजींचा राजीनामा तुम्ही मागता, त्यानंतर काय होणार?
There will be a new minister appointed by the BJP
And what will
itself. There will be, I don't know, they
I'm
could
trying to
appoint a good minister.
understand. This is a system reform that needs to happen.
हाँ.
NTA काय माहिती आहे का तुम्हाला?
National,
काय
हाँ,
करते?
हो.
काय करते ते?
It conducts exams.
They are responsible for this competitive exam. मी तुम्हाला मला तसं काय सांगालो की ही पूर्ण जाळीची तयार जाते. These people, these coaching classes, they know people in the system. आज मी तुम्हाला हे सांगितलं की नीट स्टुडंटवर बोलताना त्यांनी काय सांगितलं, पेपर जिथं तयार होतोय तिथून ज्या राज्यात येतोय तिथून ज्या एक्झामिनेशन सेंटरला चाललाय या प्रत्येक ठिकाणी अजूनपर्यंत ही कसा झालाय माहितीये का तुम्हाला?
It got जेवढे पण मोठे गावकर वगैरे जे हे होते, they got direct access to the people.
They had access to people who are working there. मी तुम्हाला आता पण काय example दिलं?
Isn't that an institutional failure? That's what I'm asking. Then why isn't Dharmendra Pradhan talking about it?
He did agree. He has agreed. त्यांनी त्यांचं स्टेटमेंट दिलेलं आहे की जे पीडित मुलं आहेत त्यांची जबाबदारी आम्ही सरकारने घेतो. हे स्टेटमेंट आहे त्यांचं.
Then why did they not talk about it for one entire month? आणि त्यानंतर ते काही सुद्धा
That was
there was no statement. I was following him up on Twitter.
धर्मेंद्र प्रधानजी said this in his first interview that was given right after the paper.
After that, he did not take any consideration of the protesters. So I have the Twitter video. I was following him. After that, there was no free press. मोदींनी एक सुद्धा फ्री प्रेस दिलेली नाही त्यानंतर. He uploaded a video yesterday.
मोदींबद्दल इथं कोणी बोलण्याबाबतीत काही विषय नाही. This is related to the education department.
Yes, but as a prime minister, does he not have any accountability?
The government has agreed that there are loopholes. The government has agreed there are loopholes.
So then why are they not resigning? Then education.
I am asking you, what is going to happen after resigning?
A new minister will be
And what will
appointed.
happen after that?
Then how are you asking me that? That is your question. It is your
I am
government.
telling you, no, I am telling you, they have found loopholes. NTA and the bureaucrats who are working on are responsible for that. And that's exactly why they are working on it.
Then why did paper leak happen 2 times?
People
2024 मध्ये पण
many
झालं.
times. हा मुद्दा फक्त आता मोठा झालाय. पेपर लीक हॅपन मेनी टाइम्स.
So is it not a
तुम्हाला सांगू
big
का,
failure
आता
of the
तेलंगणा,
system?
कर्नाटका, पंजाबमध्ये पण पेपर लीक
हो झाले आणि कर्नाटकमध्ये पण काँग्रेस गव्हर्नमेंट आय हॅव अग्रीड. आय हॅव इवन स्टेटेड माय क्वेश्चन टू यू.
पेपर लीक प्रत्येक ठिकाणी झाले. पेपर लीक प्रत्येक ठिकाणी झालेले आहे.
So why is it taken as a common ground? It is a bad thing in
Did you
general.
see Modi's last statement? What was it?
Yeah, yesterday is the video you're talking about. He will take accountability and who will hurt the students. That question.
And
There is
today-
a video of a student. मुंबई पोलिसांनी त्याला ओपनली बोलले, परत दिसलास तर तुझ्या डोळ्यामध्ये 50 ग्रॅम मिरचीची पूड घालणार. हे मुंबई पोलीस अँड द गव्हर्नमेंट
त्याच्यावरती CM नी काय statement दिलं ऐकलं का तुम्ही?
नाही बोला सांगा.
त्याच्यावरती कारवाई झाली आहे. डिटेल्ड ऑल्सो.
And what about the
And
Delhi?
suspect.
And what about the Delhi police protesters? They were without bag. There were people who were not even in uniform. There were people who are not in uniform and they are being protected by the police behind the barricade.
In that protest, तुम्ही तिथं प्रत्यक्षात जाऊन आलाय का?
I was there in Pune protest and only.
दिल्ली प्रोटेस्टमध्ये ज्या सगळ्या गोष्टी चालल्या आहेत, we been having a same discussion for the past half an hour. सोशल मीडिया थ्रू अनेक गोष्टी मॅनिप्युलेट सुद्धा केल्या जाऊ शकतात. आपण जिथं बसून कोण